Good afternoon, viewers. I'm Selvi Yuliani from Tidar University. Here, I will uncover information for a place in Magelang. Alright, let's look at my description below. Currently, I have been in one of the tourist attractions in the Magelang area, which is quite popular. With the motto City of a Million Flowers, tourist attraction in Magelang has its own advantage compared to other regions in Central Java. Tourist destinations in the city of Magelang have historical value that is very meaningful. There are also natural attractions that are still very natural and places to play that are quite proud of. Besides being famous for the destination of the Mount Andong and Borobudur Temple, Magelang also has a new tourist attraction that is no less beautiful. Not wanting to be outdone by Yogyakarta, Magelang continues to improve itself to improve every tourism potential that has excited, as evidenced by the improvement of several facilities in various places. In addition, there are also the latest destinations that help enliven the world of contemporary tourists, like a viewing park which recently began to be talked about a lot. Well, for those of you who want to visit Magelang, the following recommendation for the latest tourist attraction in Magelang and the most hits visited by tourists.
Welcome to the Bukit Rema. This is no chicken church, but this is house of prayer for our nation and for our religion. And the shape is the building not chicken, but pigeon. Pigeon symbol of peace and loyal. And this building built 1992, founder of the Bukit Rema, Daniel Alamsyah. He is all 77. And this building consists of 7 floors. This is first floor, room for prayer for all religion, Muslim, Buddhist, Catholic, and Christian. In the prayer room, in the this one. If you are going to second floor and then again, in the this way, you can lay around, and then in the this one we have wall of hope. In the wall of hope, you can breathe and then you can hang in the wall. And then first, in the this one, you can go straight. In the second floor, in the right and then in the left. In the left, go to crow. In the crow consists of 7 floors. You can see Borobudur temple in the crow. And then in the second floor, in the right, go to Kedai. Kedai for your change your ticket with free traditional food. This is free cassava. And then your voucher semi ticket. If you want buy coffee or you want buy snack, do you have discount 5%? We have 3 off left. In the 3 off left, we have 3 ball on the content is paper. On this paper, there are board, pair, and advice. You can take this one. And then the last, don't forget, you follow us at Bukit Rema. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.
The place I would recommend it is the Chicken Church. The Chicken Church is located at a hill called Bukit Rema in Borobudur area. The Chicken Church is a building in the form of a chicken sitting. The Chicken Church is a building in the form of a chicken sitting on the ground with a crown on this head, and the next I will explain the part of the chicken church. Okay, I will show you something in the first level. In the first level, the name of church ceiling. Here, visitors can see the whole chicken church room with several pillars that lie dormant in the corner of the tail and the flower shaped windows on each side. If observant, visitors can also see the motif of the cross of the ceiling of the building. Now I am in the second floor. In the second floor, the name of chicken neck. At this level, visitors can see the second scenery. In the top level, the name of chicken crow. When fit, visitors can also climb the stair to the chicken crown through a small hole the size of the body of an Indonesian adult who is not overweight. Luckily, I'm still slim. The most exciting is the view from the chicken crown is extraordinary, beautiful. Chicken Church is a place of worship located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. The building is located not far from Borobudur Temple. Although it's called the Chicken Church, the building is actually shaped like a dove. The building was initiated by businessman Daniel Alamsyah in the 19th and 19th. Magelang is one of the cities in Central Java, which has a million charm and amazing natural scenery. In fact, the second oldest city in Indonesia has many very interesting tourist attractions and is also prison, which is not less hit and cool with tours in Yogyakarta. Okay, I'm Selvi Yuliani. Enjoy your holiday and see ya!